Hello guys, welcome back. I have a Huawei MediaPad T5, and today I'll show you how to insert an SD card and SIM card into this device. Mind you, this is the LTE version. There's also the Wi-Fi version, which I assume only has the SD slot without the SIM. To insert them, on the left side you have a little tray. Take a SIM ejector like I have right here, push it in, and the tray will pop out. Take it all the way out, place the memory card in here like so, and the SIM card as well in the cutout on the bottom right side. While holding them so they don't fall out, slide it back in. Slide it all the way in, and as you can see, there's the SIM card. It requires a pin, so I'll put it in. I automatically changed the language, so I'll change it back. The language has been changed, and as you can see, the SIM card is already working. Now one thing left is storage. Go to storage, and you should find the SD card, which is 32 gigabytes. As you can see, both of them are working just fine, and that is how you insert a SIM card and SD card. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.